All right, and then in between, you might want to try to break free from the arm balancing by doing a flow. And then how do you transition from here to that? So do your leg raises first, right? All right, now step in one leg and the heel down and do your circular flow or the mandala. Good. And then my classes are full of these techniques. If you want to gain inspiration while you are building your awareness, follow the classes I post regularly. I have playlists, side stretch, and then you just flow again back to downward dog. Okay, so do that. Probably that transition from a basic flow to arm balance or to weight bearing to precision, would probably take about 6 months. Then you can incorporate now pranayama. Right now, when it comes to pranayama or the breathing exercise, I highly recommend the Nadi Shodhana, and I've given a number of tutorials about this as well. All right, so speaking of breathing exercises, what if, for example, you're starting your journey late in your life? If you're not able to do the asana, although you might be able to do a few of them, but some might be too intense for your body. Okay, so I truly believe at the end of it, the breath is a potent technique, a potent method that we can utilize in developing the energetic system. And therefore, just do basic stretches, whatever you can do, just to loosen the body, and do the Nadi Shodhana. For me, the Nadi Shodhana, or the alternate nostril breathing, is the most potent of all. Looking back then, I stumbled upon this accidentally as well. I didn't learn them. I didn't learn it from an external source. I was just doing this on my own because I felt natural. It feels good doing that because I could feel centers in me that need opening. Therefore, this becomes an organic action or a technique I do. Which eventually led me to knowing that there's actually the Nadi Shodhana. So yes. So a conceptual structure, doable, not too strict, and sustainable as well. Good. Thank you, and hope that helps. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.